are already wet. That is a lot of rain. Hello everybody. It is Tuesday around here and I am sitting with this little pumpkin reading some stories. Are you working on your reading skills, Shiloh? Okay. Yeah, my sister is coming over this afternoon. She has been away on holiday for a few weeks in Portugal and she is back today. Yay! So she's gonna come hang out. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. She is a huge help and one of my best friends in the whole world, so that will be fun. Carlo is working from home today. Malachi went off with one of his good church buddies. They are working on a new church that they are opening up on the other side of the city that needs lots of renovation and painting work, so he went off on his bike to help with that, and I have a lot of reading stuff to do with the girls. Shiloh is going for a nap. We're gonna go upstairs and get her sorted for a little sleep. Unfortunately, she never really sleeps more than about 20 minutes in the daytime. It's usually more like 10 to 15, maybe 20 if I'm lucky. And I'm struggling a little bit today because I was washing the dishes yesterday and I reached to grab the sponge and didn't realize that there was a wasp on the underneath of it, and I grabbed it and it stung me right in the finger. And I don't know if it was like a super wasp or if I just haven't been stung in a while, but oh my goodness, it hurt really bad. And I was sort of running around holding my hand and telling Malachi, look up what to do for wasp stings because it hurt so bad. And it hurt all evening. My whole hand hurt all the way up to my elbow all night. It feels a lot better today, but I'm still kind of having trouble doing dishes and stuff. Is it nap time? Oh, you took all your stuff off. So I was just going to show you. We got to take all this off, huh? We got to take all this off. What I do with all Shiloh's equipment. So I have this cute little case I got off of Amazon for Shiloh's glasses. Excuse me. So we pop those in there. And then this is her hearing box case. Her hearing aids are the brand Phonak. Phonak. I don't know if that's usual, but we just pop them out. And then at the back, that little hole down at the bottom, you've got to pop it open because to turn it off, essentially you have to disconnect the battery. Okay, that was pretty fast. I nursed the baby, she fell asleep. Now I am going to go do some reading with Zuri and Mila. Are you ready? What are you guys doing?
Oh, she's fighting me? Ew!
We didn't get to hair this morning, as you can see. Hey, 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 hey! Don't do that, you're actually gonna hurt her.
Sunny and Thumper jumped.
Let me see.
Okay.
Oh! Pop, pop. That was fun. Mila slippers. Those are good fun, huh? book on her own now. Good job. And this person, she woke up from her nap and she is making big messes. Shiloh, are you reading as well? Iana is in her room doing a project. What are you working on?
I'm making another scrunchie.
Can I see the first one? Oh, look what she made. That is so cool. Well done.
Thank you.
Nice. I think all the girls want to join you, but I'll try and keep them away. Mom. Can you say mama? Say mama. Mama, mama. You've got pesto all over your face. Poor baby. Say mama. She has so many teeth coming through. Hers waited until she was about 1 before she had any teeth, and then they all just started sprouting at the one time. Do you have a lot of teeth coming in there? Yeah. It's hard. It's hard.
There's this huge puddle, and it's so deep, and we cannot bouncing in it. It's so fun.
Are you having fun in the rain? Did you get wet? Are you getting cold now? You better come in soon so you don't get sick.
There's nothing out of there.
Oh dear, all the bikes are getting wet. It has been raining on and off all day, just massive, massive downpours. They're having fun. I'm not going outside though. This is basically done. Auntie Lena's here. She is helping make our dinner, which is one of my favorite things about when she comes. And she always helps with hair. Look at this lovely do. Let me wait. Hold still so I can see. Woo! She had them twisted up, but they fell out.
She has boingers.
These girls had to have a bath after all that rain. How was working at the church?
It was fine. It was fun.
What did you guys do?
We pulled up carpet and we painted and we what else did we do? We sanded down a bunch of the plaster. It was everywhere.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
Cool. What are you doing?
It's my bed.
This is your bed now? Are you going to bed? You're gonna go night-night. Oh, okay. You looking at some VeggieTales? Night-night. Night-night, baby. No way. Oh my goodness. Say bye.